Molly Mae Hague was bluntly warned of a toxic danger to her cats in her stunning new £3.5 million mansion. The influencer, 22, has moved into her dream pad with boxer boyfriend Tommy Fury, also 22, as it undergoes a host of renovation work. 5. Tommy Fury and Molly Mae Hague have been warned of a toxic danger to their cats in their new home. Credit, Instagram. 5. The couple recently welcomed kittens Eggy and Bread into their home. Credit, Instagram @MollyMae. Shortly prior to the big move, Filter Tan brand founder Molly became a cat mum to two adorable felines, Eggy and Bread, who often feature on her Instagram page. Yet it is not the dust or building work that fans have called out as potential kitten hazards. In fact, it was an innocuous bunch of flowers, bought as a sweet gift for Molly by Tommy, who had spent weeks away at boxing training camp. Molly documented her man arriving at their plush pad armed with Easter eggs and a bouquet in his car. He gushed over his gift as he told Molly of the blooms. "I thought it fitted well with Easter," before she added, "Yeah, I like white flowers." Yet fans were quick to call out the hidden danger behind his thoughtful gift. One wrote on YouTube, "Molly. Just a warning, lilies, and some other flowers, are extremely toxic to cats. I would never want something bad to happen to your furry friends." Another agreed and wrote, "Love your house updates and your renovation plans, smiley face. Lilies are toxic to cats, so please be careful. Wouldn't want your beautiful fur babies to get very sick, persevering face. Maybe Tommy didn't realize, took me a while to remember this when buying flowers." 20. A third continued, "Be careful having lilies in the house with cats. XX. One added, "Great update, the house is going to look stunning, A-OK hand. Someone may have already commented this, and you probably won't see this, but just in case you didn't know, lilies are poisonous to cat sex." One then surmised, love your videos. Just an FYI, lilies are toxic to cats, so keep them away from your baby boys, heart." Tiger lilies and daylilies are highly toxic to cats, including the stem, leaves, flower and pollen. Even drinking water from the lily vase can cause a feline to develop kidney failure in 3 days. Pet website PDSA warns, lilies are very popular plants due to their beautiful flowers, but unfortunately, they are highly toxic to cats. If your cat eats or licks a lily plant, they are likely to develop kidney damage which, left untreated, can lead to kidney failure and death. It added, "A common way for lily poisoning to develop is when a cat brushes past a lily, causing pollen to fall onto their fur, which they later lick off and ingest." Molly recently revealed the sweet names of her kittens. The Love Island stars welcomed new additions to their family after Molly's dog tragically died. Molly wrote over one photo of her handsome felines, "Happy Sunday from Eggy and Bread." Did I just tell you their names? They are the first pets that Molly and Tommy have owned since the tragic death of their Pomeranian dog Mr. Chai back in May 2020. He died just 5 days after Tommy bought him as a gift for Molly's 21st birthday. He started to become unwell, and after a trip to the vets he had a seizure and passed away. 5. Fans have called out the dangerous lilies bought by Tommy for Molly as a potential threat to her cat's credit. Molly Mae /YouTube. 5. Molly often documents the adorable felines on her Instagram page. Credit, Instagram /@MollyMae. 5. Their new home, pictured, is currently undergoing renovation, yet that is not the main danger to their pet's credit. Instagram. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.